Hello friends, how are you all? So today I am going to tell you how you can start custom ringtone in your iPhone. So guys, first you have to jailbreak your iPhone. After jailbreaking your phone, you need to install the Filza File Manager app. After downloading Filza File Manager app, you will need to download the ringtone you want. You must download the ringtone in M4R format. You can download it from mobcup.com, as you can see here, mobcup.com. After downloading ringtones, you need to copy the ringtone into the Filza File Manager app. To do this, you have to go to the Safari browser and click to the downloaded option. Then click on the song. Click on the share button below. Click on the save to Filza option and click on save. Now you have to open the Filza app. After opening the app, you have to click on edit. Then you have to select song ringtone and rename it by clicking on rename. Have to rename it to bark, capital BARK, bark. After renaming, you have to copy it. Edit, click on bark, click on copy. After copying, you have to go to back, go back again once again, and go back again for last time. Now you have to scroll and click on the library option, then scroll down and click on the ringtones option. Now you have to click on edit and delete bark ringtone. As you can see, delete. Paste the bark ringtone you copied after deleting it here. After pasting, your ringtone will be set. Thank you. Stay tuned to the video to see the proof, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to like the video too.